you bored of the same old breakfast every day? And are you in a hurry in the mornings? Why not try this wonderful idea from Cooking Company? Super simple, amazingly tasty breakfast idea using cheese, egg and bread. Yep, that's right, just a few simple ingredients and you have the most amazing quick-to-cook breakfast you could ever imagine. And you can also change it up if you want to make it more involved, more interesting, or you've got a bit more time, just add some veggies. So, are you ready? Right, let's get started. All you need is 1 slice of bread, 1 slice of cheese, and 10 grams of cream cheese, or however much you like, using a food piping bag to form a border around the cheese slice. You've created a kind of wall here, and you can pour in your egg. Now put 1 tablespoon of bacon pieces in there, or any kind of salty meat, maybe sausage, turkey bacon, and add another cheese slice on top. Cook it in the oven for just 2 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. Let the cheese melt away and the egg cook underneath it. And voila! You have a wonderful, delicious breakfast cheesy egg slice. Perhaps you could even sprinkle a little bit of fresh herb on top for some extra flavour. Maybe parsley. What do you think? Ooh, what could be nicer?